This is a set of calendar pieces used for kindergarten. You can talk about naming the shapes and the attributes. You can name and discuss the value of the coins. You can practice counting strategies, counting all, counting on, counting by fives, counting by tens, and some more. And discuss the strategies and what the easiest way to count would be. So if you were looking at these pieces, you could talk about the numbers, where the numbers are positioned, the shapes, the fact that the numbers are inside the shapes. You have 2D shapes. You also have the 3D shapes, the sphere and the cube. You could talk about the attributes of those. The fact that this is a star, how the star is different than the rectangle, how many sides the rectangle has, if there's a pattern between the 2D shapes and the 3D shapes. You can also talk about the coins. You have a penny that's heads up, you have a penny that's tails up, you have a nickel that is heads up and a nickel that is tails up. The fact that this is 1 cent, this is also 1 cent. You could add those together, so 2 pennies equals 2 cents. You have a nickel, which is 5 cents, another nickel, which is 5 cents. You could count by fives, 5, 10. The main point of this is the counting and practicing the counting strategies. When you're in kindergarten, you can use the strategy of counting all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 balloons. Then you want to move to the next counting strategy that you want to use is counting on. So if you've been working with the base 10 blocks, you know that a rod has a value of 10. So you start with 10 and count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You could then also practicing counting on starting at 12 and stopping at 18. Then when you get to counting by tens, this is a group of 10, this is a group of 10, 10, 20. You also can look at counting 10 and some more. So 10 and some more. This some more is a group of 5 and 2 more. 5 and 2 more is 7. So 10 and 7 would give you a value of 17. So there's a lot of different counting strategies that you could use, and you could talk about which is most efficient. Sometimes it's very difficult to see this as a group of 10, but if you've been using the base 10 blocks, this is very easy to see as a 10. The cubes, the snap cubes, are also very easy to see as a group of 10, and if you've been working with 10 frames, then you can very easily and visualize that this is a group of 10, and this is also a group of 10. So talking about the strategies and when they are most efficient and most important to use is a good strategy to work on with students.